The Meds Alert, the Smart Blister Card to monitor the patient at home if they take the drugs in time. It is a product to relieve the caretakers in general, and it's easy for family members to see if your parents, for instance, take the drugs in time. The product itself, it has a cover and a smart chip, and of course the drugs itself. In this particular case, the smart card has a tag. The tag shows, in this case, a number 25. At the moment that the patient needs to take the drug, it alarms and shows automatically the number which should be taken by the patient. In this case it's 25, and it is easy to open this cup, so that if the patient takes this specific number or cup, it will be shown through this smart tag in the app or in the platform that the patient has been taken the drug. It's a very easy and simple product. The Meds Alert is a very solid and easy to use product. We will show you how to manufacture and produce this particular product. The Meds Alert consists of 4 different main items, products. First of all, of course, it's the tag itself. Then we have the smart sheet. The smart sheet consists of the conductive lines which are connected to the tag at the end. Then we have the cover, and the cover consists of the patient information, but also the information about the pharmacist who manufacture or assemble the drugs. Inside of the cover you see the picture of the drugs, which is at the end dispensed in the blister, and it shows all kind of information of the drug. How you need to take the drug, what kind of drug it is, expiry date, and more, whatever you want. We see also a table, and in the table, the table shows where the drugs is packed, so in which particular intake or cup. This is the VBM Blister Machine, the VBM 200F, and this machine fills and checks the prescription automatically. Right now, we put the smart sheet with the conductive lines with 2 holes on the blister tray, on the blister. It's very easy actually to do that. We scan the specific tray, and we see that all the drug is inside of the blister, so we only need to wait for the printed unique card for this specific blister. If we connect that together with the blister, the cover, then we are certain that this particular filled blister is connected to the right patient and patient name. The moment that we release the blister from the blister tray holder, the connection between the blister and the blister tray holder and the patient is gone. So the moment we connect this with the cover, we will be sure that this is the right patient to the right blister, and connect the tag to the blister tray and card. So right now the product is finished. So in this particular case we see that 25, it shows the 25 number, so we know that we need to open the number 25 in this case. So when it alarms, we need to open on Sunday, in this case morning 25th, the cup, and when it is opened, automatically sends a signal to from the tag to the system, and so you can see at home, or the caretaker can see that the drugs has been taken for this particular person. That makes it easy to monitor the patient from a distance, and that will be at the end a relief for the home care and the family as well. The Meds Alert card, a smart card, ready to go to the patient.